Come on, girls. It's time for school. Calm down. One at a time. One at a time. And look who followed them to school. Oren, Pinky, and Wenda. Ratty and Simon are here too. Let's explore. I think these guys have been hanging out with cats again. At least you two are focused on your studies. Good thing, too. That teacher seems strict. Uh-oh, I think he noticed your special guests. But don't worry, it's time for Sprunky at school. This laptop makes taking notes a breeze. Well, as long as you don't mess with the keys. They say life is like a box of chocolates. And as they also say, la vie en rose. In other words, life's better in pink. Especially when that pink is pinky. And look, your very own keyboard. Hey, it's Jevin. Haven't seen him in a while. And a whole bunch of our Sprunky friends. Uh-oh, the warm colors are making a mess. Well, we can always just spread the love. 'Cause I'm pretty sure it's surprise inspection time. Ooh, poor Blue, you got the blame. But don't get angry, get even. Or better yet, it's time to get crafting. And cardboard is a crafter's best friend. Hey, it's a Jack-in-the-Box, and it looks like Simon. I'd say Simon in the box, but Simon is the box. And he'll hold all of your trash for you. Ooh, it's hot. You know, a little AC would be appreciated. Careful, you need that paper for our next craft. Pinky sure has a face for merchandise. But she'll always be her own biggest fan. Pinky can be a little shy at times. But she still knows when to open up. It's time to get gone with the wind. Now it's your turn, Blue. Any ideas? Once again, it's cardboard to the rescue. But I wonder what you're making. Whatever it is, it involves a bottle. Oh, I see. It's your very own water cooler. I mean, you could just drink from the bottle. But where would the fun in that be? Besides, Aqua always wanted to be a mascot. Twist the cap and enjoy some blue juice. Refreshing. You can tell it's cold because it's blue. Uh-oh, you're out of ink. It's our printer all over again. Don't worry, your Sprunky friends can help. Sky always wanted to be in a band. A cotton swab? I think we should use the clean side. Either way, cover it up with double-sided tape. Now it's time to stack our Sprunkies. It's almost like a rainbow. Sorta. Kinda. Dip it in ink and write your heart out. And And you can even change colors. The best part, it's made with love. Remember, in math, it's best to use a pencil. Or at least one of those erasable pens. On second thought, maybe use a calculator. So why don't we make one ourselves? And can you tell who's a real math whiz? How about I give you a little hint? It's someone who's really into spring. That's right, it's Vineria. Don't forget her flowers. That's right, 2 plus 2 is 4. Seems so obvious now. Ooh, a poppet toy. Oh, careful with those nails. Seriously, we lose more poppet toys this way. Well then, we'll just need to make a new toy. First, we need to make a cube. It's Sky. But remember, cubes are three-dimensional. Otherwise, they'd just be a bunch of squares. Oh, so that's what Sleeping Beauty's been up to. I don't think she'll mind if we borrow some slime. We can store it in our secret sky box. While we're at it, don't forget his ears, or his cowlick. It's kind of his trademark. Give him a squeeze and he'll share the goop. Time for the big math test. Did you bring your calculator? Of course, at this point, she'll settle for a new pencil. Well, maybe good old Lilac Lily can help. She's getting promoted to pencil sharpener. And it keeps the shavings all in one place. Just don't forget to clean it out now and then. Now ace that test, assuming you studied. It's important to look your best. What? No makeup? Next, they'll change the dress code to rags. But it's okay. I'm sure you'll draw up a solution. Like your very own paper compact. But it's looking a little flat. Add some stuffing. Now it's your very own Sprunky makeup kit. Why don't we try a little powder first? Wow! Talk about a transformation! It's always nice to see friends help each other. Except, of course, when it's quiz time. Looks like he let you off with a warning. But you still need to switch seats. Uh-oh, looks like she's got a craft idea up her sleeve. If only she put this much effort into studying. Of course, no one ever suspects Oren. Or Ratty. Or Funbot. He's a smart one. That's why he's joining our space program. Looks like he survived his maiden voyage. He's got a secret message for you, Blue. Help! She's sending out an SOS. Don't worry, Blue's got you covered. Speedy delivery, and you didn't have to tip. And when communication comes this easy, who needs phones? Okay, girls, you're gonna need all your pens. Now, what did I say about those cat videos? Pinky's got way too much energy. She really needs to make a friend. I know. Why don't we make a friend for her? It's Sky, and he's in crayon form. You still got some leftover stuffing? Well, we do want Sky to be well-rounded. Add some wax. Now he's a real crayon. Don't get jealous. Make your own pen pal. And when we say pen, we mean it. Looks like Pinky's a little cheeky. Or maybe she's just feeling hot today. Ooh, lunchtime. What's the soup of the day? On second thought, I'd rather not know. Guess happiness does come on a platter. Now I see where their salary goes. Of course, with all those goodies, I'm sure you won't miss one little sausage. Now let's add some pasta strands on top. Some hot water should soften up that dough. Once it cools off, let's twist it up into braids. Now let's lay her down on our handy sausage cutter. And I wouldn't say no to some ketchup. But don't take too long. Lunchtime's almost up. Class is back in session. Uh-oh! She's gonna blow! Need a tissue? Hey, keep your slime to yourself. Well, maybe we can put it somewhere safe. Like our handy-dandy pig snout. And look, that stuff really stretches. Well, turnabout is fair play, I guess. And who wouldn't miss such good slime? Think she'll figure out who did it? Some people just can't take a joke. Not quite. Maybe you should use pencil. Starting to think you just really like using whiteout. Well, too bad this isn't sculpting class. But I think someone's been bit by the crafting bug. We'll make a new friend out of foam clay. And I see someone took my advice. I know you're supposed to take notes, but that's what pen and paper are for. Uh-oh. Guess you're on cleanup duty. Come on, put some elbow grease into it. Next time, cover some paper up with tape. Now you can draw whatever you want with marker. And you can erase and start over when you're done. Because sometimes that erasing bit really comes in handy.